Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Cotton Creations. So today I'm bringing you another recipe. This one's a super good and easy one. Anybody can really do it. But you know, sometimes you got a sweet tooth and you just don't have the time to be whipping up something from scratch, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my quick version of vegan sticky buns using the canned cinnamon buns. So if you're interested, let's hop into it and let me show you guys what you need. So for today's recipe, we're going to be using the immaculate cinnamon buns. They're organic and they are accidentally vegan. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna use. Also need some butter. You'll need some molasses. You'll also need some pecans. You'll also need some brown sugar and a pan. So let's go ahead and whip it on up. So I'm gonna use my measuring cup and I'm going to melt my butter inside the measuring cup, and to that I'm gonna add the molasses and the brown sugar once the butter is melted. So let's get into it. I'm gonna add some brown sugar and I'm gonna add some molasses. And just give it a stir till it's all blended. And this is what it should look like. Next, we're just gonna pour in our syrup. So next you wanna sprinkle on your pecans. You can add them into your syrup and then pour it into your pan, or you can do it like this and just sprinkle them on top. Last step before the oven, just place your cinnamon buns right on top of your pecans and syrup, and then let's take these babies to the oven. All right, y'all, so the sticky buns are done. Looking good, smelling good. So the last step is we're just going to glaze them with the glaze packet that came with the cinnamon buns, and then you can enjoy. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna cut it at an angle. Yeah, you just want to drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Whew, looking good. All right, so I'm gonna let me turn the camera so y'all can get a real good look. Don't they look good? Yes, sticky buns. All right, y'all, sticky buns done. Y'all see it. So let me show y'all. Y'all see the inside, nice and soft. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut on into it with the good old fork. Now, I like a lot of pecans, but I know there's some people that don't like a whole lot of nuts. So you can just put on as many or not so many as you like. But come on, get into it. Y'all see that? Get into it. Come on. Shut up. That's good. That is so good. Whew. Cinnabon ain't got nothing on your girl, and it's vegan. I know many of y'all be out here worried about what the vegans eat and talking about how restrictive it is. As y'all can see, I ain't missing out on nothing. Okay? Okay. Y'all see that? So if you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Head on over to my YouTube channel, Cotton Creations, 2 words, no crazy spellings, just Cotton Creations. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when I post. And in the meantime, until next time, be safe, wash your hands, stay your distance, wear your mask, and be blessed.